Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stash spot in your car. Finding a good hiding place requires a bit of creativity and observation. You want to select areas that appear natural and do not draw any unwanted attention. Think about the items you need to conceal and how they can fit without altering your car's interior significantly. The goal is to create a secure and discreet location for your valuables and important documents. Many cars offer readily available spaces that can be easily converted into stash spots. For instance, a false bottom in your glove compartment can add a layer of security. The area beneath your seats is excellent for documents or small, flat items. Even your center console might have hidden compartments or areas where you can create a discreet storage solution with minimal effort and a few simple tools. For more advanced options, consider areas that require a bit more effort to access. Behind a removable trim panel, perhaps near the dashboard or door, can be an excellent choice. If your car has a spare tire well that you do not use, it offers a substantial, out-of-the-way space. You can also employ clever diversions, like a fake soda can or a false book, to hide smaller valuables in plain sight. When creating your stash spot, always prioritize safety and functionality. Ensure that your hidden area does not obstruct any critical vehicle components or airbags. The spot should be simple for you to reach quickly, yet remain completely invisible to a casual observer. Take care not to cause any permanent damage to your car's interior or wiring, preserving its value and integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.